we got Dish. Yeah, it is Grindville Sonic. I literally can't. I'm so happy right now. I just did a haul at Target. Not that many toys, a few toys, but I didn't go for like millions of toys. I only got Squishy and these, the $20 pack of Squishies, and this. I actually was gonna get this no matter what because I've been thinking about it for a long time, and you know, I just couldn't leave it behind any longer. And it gives me 2 new characters that I don't have. Or actually 3, because all of these guys in there. Like, you know what I'm talking about, like it. Oh, there's one more cuts that I have to do. Okay. And since this is in the short, I have all the time I want to review this guy. Like the butter chocolate, which I had yesterday, not that much. I'm gonna get Grindville Shoe Sonic out of here. Yeah, these, I'm the most excited for him. Hashtag SA2. He already looks extremely cool. Just with only half of him out, like not even half. Yeah, I did. Okay, let's get a good look at him, dude. Man, if he would have had that like smile that he has, it would be cooler. But there he is. I'm gonna put him in some poses. Okay, there we got our first pose. Oh, I know one that we could do. This one looks cool, kind of. Yeah, I don't know. This one's really cool. Next one. Oh dang, I really packaged Werehog up. Werehog should be the mascot of Heavy Love, not gonna lie. The type star boot just matches Werehog so perfect. It's just perfect. It's so perfect. Come on, Werehog. Get out of there. Get out of there, Sonic Unleashed. Listen. We got Mr. Sonic Unleashed out of there. And this guy has the same articulation in Sonic as in Sonic 3 figures. Except he doesn't have fingy movement. Oh my gosh, look at there. Looky there, dude. We literally have the best figure that Jakks Pacific has made. Like, look at this guy. Look at him. He looks exactly like how he looks in Unleashed. Oh, I want to get something. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. Hold on. That kind of looks cool. That's just my opinion. This food is just amazing. Next we have this Super Sonic, which I actually don't have any Super Sonics. Although this is a character that has already been made, I don't have him. So he is yet still pretty cool to me. I missed one. Okay, yeah, I missed one. I did not even see those. That should be easy to just yank him out like so. Okay, there. He kind of sounds like the second movie minifigure. Look at that. If he had more joints, I could pose him like. Oh, let's compare them. There's only a few differences that I can see. But these characters, pretty weird set of characters, but pretty cool set because of Werehog in the first Grind Wheel comic. I do not know which one to pick as my favorite. Literally all of them look good. Especially that Werehog. It has a lot of articulation in it. Its legs look like just a normal movie Sonic movie Tails legs. But the rest of it is way better. Also, am I the only one that noticed that, like, never mind. But, I'm gonna put Werehog in some of the classic poses that Sonic does. I'm gonna try to get his hand to do that. Unfortunately, his hand can't do one movement, but that's what I got trying to do it. Next pose is a pretty classic pose because it's literally him running, but this is him running. I really think it should be more cooler than this. Like him, like charging up. Supersonics. I like Supersonic a lot though. But my favorite one is not Supersonic. Rhino Supersonic? I don't know. Werehog, definitely. I like everyone except for Supersonic. But I do like Supersonic because I don't have him. I still like, I'm not saying like I hate the character. I like him. But like, these two are my faves. Because they're new characters brought to us also. And my favorite has to be, my biggest fave is this Grind Wheel Sonic. Maybe we could put him like in Escape from the City. But I just don't have a board. Oh, I have a board! I found Nazir's card.
Liam, you can pause your video.
Nah, I'm too lazy to edit. I don't want to do all that hard editing and stuff like that. So like, nah, I'm past that.
Hey. You're gonna have to delete that video off my phone because you're taking up all my storage.
I'm not posting anybody.
Well, you keep using my storage. Get that, you could throw it away.
Okay guys, unfortunately, I cannot find the board, so we cannot do Escape from the City. But one more thing I have to do. get these guys out. Let's get Sonic first. Got mini Sonic and these squishies. I can just like funny pose time. How did I do it? Next is Tails. This is my favorite one. I literally cannot stop talking about this guy. So what Tails looks like? It's like this is what he looks like. Do we have Knuckles? I think Knuckles is pretty funny. Also, he can. Shadow. He has the most detail / less detail. But there he goes. We got Supersonic. So bro got a kid. Yeah, you have to take care of him now. No, I'm not doing that. We can do super together. We can go super together. Then we have Roboticus, aka Mr. Dr. Robot Stick. Oh, dang. I know this one crumbles a lot. Here, good. I got a good look.